We are at Fairfax Church for the 4th Annual Faith Communities in Action Interfaith Resiliency Conference. This conference was created in response to attacks on houses of faith in Fairfax County. It's a great opportunity for community members, faith leaders, faith members, and nonprofits to come together and build a more resilient community.
The importance of this conversation and this conference is to talk about the safety and security of the religious communities, especially the minorities, and also what resources are available for places of worship and communities that we can benefit from that the county offers.
From there, I want to kind of tell the story through data. Unfortunately, as you just heard, we've experienced a lot. It's important that across the faith spectrum, we're constantly monitoring for what's going on, not just within our own backyards, but nationally and internationally. It's a constant challenge between being welcoming and open and sensitive to congregations and our visitors and neighbors, but we have to do so in a safe and secure way. That's the expectation that our congregants have. They want to enter a facility where they know security is being taken seriously. That can be done while applying security techniques, but in a way that congregants will simply feel like they've had a really great welcoming committee.
These conferences are really helpful because there are resources that county has and county offers, but we may not know. And that's really beneficial for us.
Fairfax County residents can get more involved with Faith Communities in Action by going to www.fairfaxcounty.gov and searching Community Interfaith Coordination, and then subscribing to our newsletter, The Common Ground. I also encourage residents to stay connected to their local faith communities or to volunteer with county agencies or our county partners.